In this video, we will learn what a direct data source is. A direct data source is data collected specifically for a certain purpose and used for that same purpose. It is primary, accurate, and relevant. For example, using a customer survey to improve services is a direct use of data for its intended goal. Example: a sports shop wants to find out what other shops are charging for the trainers. Visiting the other shops and noting down the prices. This is a direct observation method. You physically go to competitor shops and record prices. Advantages: first-hand, real-time data, accurate if done carefully. Disadvantages: time-consuming, may not be practical for many shops, and prices may vary by location or change frequently. Visiting the other shops' websites and noting down the prices. This is a secondary method using public online data. You collect price information from official websites or online stores. Advantages: easy, quick, can cover many shops, often updated frequently. Disadvantages: not all prices may be listed online, e.g., in-store discounts, and stock or availability may differ. Definition: a questionnaire is a set of questions focused on a specific subject or issue. Purpose: it is used to gather data directly from respondents. Question types: closed questions. Respondents choose from provided options. Open-ended questions. Respondents write their own answers in detail. Ease of use: simple to distribute, complete, and collect. Familiar process for most people. Formats: can be completed on paper or computer. Definition: an interview is a formal meeting, usually between two people, used to collect data on a specific topic. Purpose: to gather detailed, personal, or in-depth information directly from the respondent. Types of interviews: structured interviews, same set of questions asked in the same order for every interviewee. Often includes predefined answer choices, similar to a questionnaire. Unstructured interviews, questions and format can vary for each interviewee. Allows respondents to expand on their answers. No fixed list of answers. Flexibility: unstructured interviews provide more flexibility and depth, while structured interviews ensure consistency across all participants. Definition: data logging uses computers and sensors to automatically collect data. Automation: data is gathered and recorded continuously or at regular intervals, often without human intervention. Analysis: the collected data is analyzed, saved, and often displayed as graphs or charts. Real-time monitoring: can show data as events occur, making it useful for detecting trends or changes over time.
Application common in scientific experiments, environmental monitoring, and industrial system.
Definition: observation involves collecting data by watching what happens in a specific situation. Direct method: the observer gathers information based on what they see, rather than relying on what people say, e.g., in interviews or questionnaires. Use case: useful when behavior, actions, or real-time events need to be studied objectively. Advantages: more accurate and relevant. Data is collected firsthand for a specific purpose. Trusted source: the origin of the data is known and verifiable. Up-to-date: data is usually current, as it's collected recently. Customized format: data can be collected and organized in the format required for analysis. Disadvantages: time-consuming. Collecting primary data takes a lot of time and effort. Costly: direct data collection often involves more resources, e.g., staff, tools, travel. Limited sample size: gathering a large dataset can be difficult for one person or team. Potential bias: though direct, data can still be biased depending on collection methods or the observer's influence.